Dear students, welcome to the course of Pakistani Society and Culture. In this course, we are going to learn about our own society and our own culture, but from a sociological perspective, from a different point of view, that how society and culture are important for human beings and what aspects are needed to understand those elements of society and culture. But first things first, before beginning this journey, let me have a brief introduction of myself. My name is Dr. Imran Sabir. I have completed my PhD from University of Paris-Saclay, France, and in 2016, before doing my PhD, I completed my MS from University of Versailles from France. And after that, I joined Quaid-e-Azam University in 2016 as assistant professor of sociology. I have taught a lot of courses regarding sociological theory, Pakistani society and culture, introduction to sociology, as well as creative and academic writing. My research area during my PhD was the origin and development of sociology in Pakistan. It's about the history of discipline of sociology, how it originated and developed in Pakistan within the colonial and post-colonial eras. My research interests include sociology of knowledge and philosophy of social science, as well as political sociology. So this was my brief introduction, and before starting our journey about the details of cultural and societal components of Pakistani society, let me introduce the course objectives that what you are going to learn throughout this course. That this course will enable you to understand the basic concepts of culture and society, because culture, it is not something that we are understanding in our colloquial terms, as we take it for granted that culture is something that we are seeing around, and which is very visible and which we are practicing in our daily lives. But what would be important that we need to understand in this course is that we use specific vocabulary, we use particular perspectives, and we use sociological lens or sociological imagination to understand it from a particular scientific and objective point of view. And then this course will help to understand different basic concepts which are related to culture and society, but within the Pakistani cultural context. Because most of these concepts you will study in different books are given, but in different cultural concepts, because most of the books are written by Western scholars, Western authors. तो इसलिए मेरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं आपको पाकिस्तानी कल्चर और इसके डिफरेंट सोसाइटल एस्पेक्ट्स के हवाले से जो गिवन पर्टिनेंट रियल पाकिस्तानी एग्जांपल्स हैं उनके साथ चीज़ों को एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करूँगा. And then this will orient our students to specific features like the typology and sociological perspectives, which is more important, that how sociology or as a sociologist you would be able to have that particular lens कि जिसके थ्रू आप पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें. बिकॉज बीइंग एन ऑर्डिनरी मेंबर ऑफ सोसाइटी, हम सब जो हैं वो अपने कल्चर को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, अपने कल्चर को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, अपनी सोसाइटी के अंदर मौजूद होते हुए हम सोसाइटी के डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स के अंदर एज अ कॉमन मैन जो है वो हम चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करते रहते हैं. लेकिन ऐसी क्या ख़ास बात होगी इस कोर्स के अंदर कि जिससे आप ये अंदाज़ा लगा सकें या आप इसको समझने के काबिल हो सकें एज अ स्कॉलर, एज एन एक्सपर्ट, एज अ सोशोलॉजिस्ट, के पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी को, उसके कल्चर को, उसके कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स को किस तरह से यूजिंग पर्टिकुलर वोकेबलरी जो है वो हम अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं, उसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. So this was the brief introduction of myself, as well as about this course and its course objectives. In the coming modules, we are going to discuss all these interesting aspects. So see you in the next slides.